So I'm going to show you a way that you can achieve the same tonal balance as some of your favorite songs that you hear on Spotify, Apple, Tidal, wherever it is that you listen to your music, by using two plugins: Ozone 11 or 10, whatever it is that you use, and Audiolens by Izotope, which is free. So go and check that out. So what you do is download Audiolens. We turn on Audiolens. We open up something like Spotify and we find a song, one of our favorite songs that we like the sound of. Click capture, and then we press play to capture some audio, but we want to make sure that we get a decent amount of audio. I won't play it so that the video doesn't get copywritten. So then you're going to see the waveform inside Audiolens, and that's the tonal balance of that specific song. So then we press stop and we give it a name, and the name for this is Feeling Waved Rizzy B. Feeling Waved Rizzy B. Rixie. Rizzy B. Hit save. So as you can see, I've created some already for this mix that I'm gonna show the example on. When you click on them, you can see the different balances, tonal balances of these specific songs. So cool. So then we open up Logic. Then we open up Ozone. Let's open up Ozone 11. Then we find the loudest part of this song, and we're just gonna generate. We're just gonna let Ozone do its thing. Alright, so you see, Ozone's created a nice little curve, tonal curve that it believes it should sound like. It's put us in the category of R&B soul, which is good. It's cool. Happy with that. Change it to pop. It's slightly different. Let's change the hip hop. We've got more bass, which is expected. So keep it on R&B soul. It doesn't really matter. So what you see here is a tonal balance. We can boost the equalization, or we can lessen it. We can leave it where it was. We've got some extras over here. Dynamics match, width match, clarity, and whatnot.
So I'm leaving and where there's a bed now. I would have done anything for you. I would have done anything for you. You fake love, you can keep in the energy's retreating away from you. All your wrongs used to keep them on the low. I still love you, but still sleeping on my own. I still love you, but ain't picking up the phone. Means that you have me real bad. All your wrongs that nobody got know.
Which is cool. We can turn them off, we can turn them on, we can boost, we can boost, we can attenuate, we can use the sliders to get the sound that we want. Or what we can do is, which is the purpose of this video, is we can use one of these examples, one of these tonal balances. So I'm going to just click through and just see which one sounds good. I've got Be Honest, Georgia Smith. Click it. Ozone's going to generate a new so Ozone's going to generate a new chain for us. Let's have a listen. So what I'll do is, I'm going to have let's put three different tones on there. So we've got Crash by Georgia Smith. And let's try the Rizzy one as well. See how that sounds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create three different mastering chains. So I'm going to use Rizzy, Be Honest by Georgia Smith, and let's go Finders Keepers. Right, so what I've done is I've generated three different mastering chains just to show you what this can do. So the first one is Finders Keepers Mabel. So this is the tonal balance for that song. Then we got Georgia Smith, Crush. And then third we got Rizzy B. This is what that sounds like.
on the low. I still love you, but still sleeping on my own.
See, that sounds a bit too muffled for me, so I probably wouldn't go for that one. So I'm just going to quickly A-B, Georgia Smith and Mabel, Crush by Georgia Smith and Finest Keepers by Mabel, and just hear the difference in the tone.
Turning back, all your wrongs used to keep them on the low. I still love you, but still sleeping on my own. I still love you, but ain't picking up the phone. Means that you hate me real bad. All your wrongs and nobody got no. I still love you, but my heart is turning cold. I still love you, but I've come to turning back. All your wrongs used to keep them on the low. I still love you, but still sleeping on my own. I still love you, but ain't picking up the phone. Means that you hate me real bad.
So for me, Crush sounds smooth. It sounds smooth. It sounds nice. I just like the tone of it. So what that would be is a great starting point for me to either use this, tweak it a bit, and then just add in what I need to add to make it a little bit louder, maybe a little bit more clarity. And yeah, it's a great starting point. So that's a great way for you to just get a quick tonal balance of your mix and your master, and get you into the ballpark of how your song's going to match up with those that's playing on Spotify, Apple Music, all the streaming platforms, or wherever it's going. That is a great tool for you to, like I said, get into the ballpark just by using 2 plugins, Audiolens and Ozone. And yeah, just save the presets or just capture new tonal balances, save them, and just build up your library. I've lined up another video for you to watch if you vibed with me at all, and I'll see you over there.